Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and follow a topic in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find application and install it. So once you've installed it and open it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the books that are recommended to us. We can take a look at the posts by other people that we follow and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to follow a topic. So basically guys, the first thing we want to do is look right here at the bottom of the screen where we can find this section with all the options we can access, such as home, explore and so on. What you want to do is click the explore tab. By opening up explore, it's going to open up this explore menu from where we can get started finding new topics we can use and new books. So what we can do is scroll down until we find this option right here that says explore by topic. So if you click the explore by topic option, it's going to enable you to find the topic that you want to follow. So just click on any of them. Let's say that you want to open up economics. I'm going to click on economics, and from here it's going to open up this topic. Now I can click the follow button in the upper right corner. By clicking follow, it's going to enable us to follow the economic topic in Deepstash, and now we are going to go ahead and be getting the economic topics on our home page, from where we can start exploring even more, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.